Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon you. My name is Denok Sunarsi. For joining first Paris Van Java International Seminar on Academics, Social Science, and Humanities, I would like to present our paper. The title is The Fullness of Higher Order Thinking Skills, or HOTS, in Applied Science Textbooks of Vocational Schools. Textbooks as a dominant learning source of HOTS haven't been fulfilled, which can influence the growth of HOTS in vocational students. We are going to materials and methods. Mixed methods, explanatory, HOTS design, starting from the collection and analysis of quantitative data, followed by qualitative data, collection and analysis that builds on the initial results of the quantitative data. As follows, this figure 1. Sequential explanatory research design. The next 112 descriptors of the assessments component are based on 14 indicators and 8 indicators, HOTS, 21 material items, 9 self-ability tasks, 20 multiple choice competency task questions, and 5 essay questions. The result shows the fulfillment of the HOTS indicators can be indicated from the distribution of compliance criteria and presence in the textbook on the integration of the HOTS indicator presence in this figure 3, HOTS fullness criteria. So, we are going to figure 4, distribution or indicator HOTS. Different thing and organizing has the highest amount of fulfillment compared to the other levels. Furthermore, it can also be present the process of each indicator to determine the tendency of the dominant cognitive level is present in figure 5. Beside figure 4, we have figure 5. It shows the different criteria of 112 descriptor items analyzed in the assessments component based on 14 learning indicators out of 10 learning indicators from KD 3.6 analyzing materials and change, and 4 indicators from KD 4.6 conduct materials experiments and change, as well as mixed separations. 8 HOTS indicators based on knowledge level and 21 items, material and change. 9 self-ability tests on each sub-materials, 20 multiple choice competency test questions, and 5 essay questions as a final assessment learning. With the recapitulation results of HOTS fulfillment of 30.4% high criteria, 42.9% medium criteria, and 26.8% low criteria. This means that the fulfillment of HOTS is more dominant in the medium criteria. Next, figure 6 shows the C4.2 level organizing has the most widespread distribution of HOTS arising because most of the material is present by organizing ideas in the form of categorization, characteristics of a grouping materials, and their change in both physical or chemical change. While level C6.2 planning at this level is almost in the textbook. There is no structure experimental planning of activities. In the students' activities, both discussion and indicator and experimental activities are directly described. For figure 7, the fulfillment results of HOTS, the integration between learning indicators and HOTS indicators is in the medium category. Furthermore, the process of yields that did not meet HOTS indicators is in the medium category. So, the conclusion are HOTS still at the level of analyzing C4 of 62.9%, the level of evaluation C5 of 14.3%, and the level of grading C6 of 22.9%. With the recapitulation results of HOS fulfillment of 30.4% high criteria, 42.9% medium criteria, and 26.8% low criteria. The fullness of HOS indicators by 50.7%. HOS are difficult to identify in a short time. So, thus we have. Thank you for understanding.